guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video we're swapping over these arrow catch pins because I broke this one. So I ordered some new ones. They're not carbon fiber, which sucks, but oh well. This is not real carbon fiber anyways, so but it's gonna be a matte black. Yeah, so it's because they discontinued the ones that I needed, so yeah, getting these ones installed. And then also I ordered a vent, some new vents for the front bumper, and I already wrapped this one. Still got to rewrap it again because it is coming off a little bit. But yeah, so basically this is gonna go right here, and yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty sick. It definitely different than any other Subaru out there that I've seen, but I think it's gonna look pretty sick. As you can see, it's already coming off the wrap. So yeah, definitely gonna redo the wrap. But yeah, it's gonna go right here, and it just sticks on with double-sided tape right here. It came with double-sided tape just to throw it on there. It's gonna go right here, and I think it's gonna look pretty sick for a side profile, honestly. Something different. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it wrapped. Watch, let me just take it off and show you guys. All right, so yeah, I'll definitely have to wrap it just to make it look a little nicer than that. This is just a regular thing. I might paint it black just so the wrap can stick better. It did stick to this, but it's not sticking to the back. So I think I'm gonna paint the back and the front and then wrap it, so that way it sticks. But yeah, basically it's gonna go right here. And yeah, so definitely wrap is gonna look a lot better and just kind of leave the vents exposed. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's gonna look pretty sick, honestly. Once I cut into it and then put them on, you know. But yeah, thought something cool to put on the car. Since I already got a big vent here, I kind of want to throw another vent right here. Kind of releases the pressure, I guess, from the buildup in there, because it is getting a lot of air in there, and it's hitting the splash guard here, and it's probably coming out through here too. But most of it probably gets stuck in here and causes some problems. So this little vent right here will help with airflow. We'll see. But anyways, yeah, just something I picked up, definitely want to do. And yeah, so rewrap those and then change the oil and get those pins changed. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and put it back in there. All right, well, I got one of them done. See, it's all matte black. Kind of boring, but oh well. There's the carbon fiber one. There's the matte black one. I wish I had a carbon fiber one, but the matte does look pretty good. So let me just go ahead and swap this one out, and I should be done. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and change this oil really quick. Oh shit. God damn. All right, guys. Well, now that the oil got the oil change, got these new Arrow catch pins installed, everything seems to be smooth and operating now. New keys to lock them. So yeah, like I said, again, I don't mind the flat black, but I do like the carbon fiber look mostly. But yeah, let's just go ahead and there's the old oil. Nothing wrong with it. Looks clean. Well, yeah. I don't know what oil change this is on this engine, but yeah, it seems like it's a lot right now. It might be the 5th one, honestly. But yeah, that pretty much completes the install on these Arrow catch pins. Got the oil drained out, got the new oil in. Now I just got to get this old oil into the old little jug here, get it recycled, and yeah. Again, the wheels are still looking clean. I did ceramic coat them off camera using Gtechniq C5 armor, wheel armor, and also I did one coat of EXO V5. I might need to get some more just to apply some more on there because yeah, I don't think one coat is gonna do enough. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me just go ahead and try to wrap these things again and see how I can start cutting these bumper, these holes in the bumper. Yeah, right now it's just like a clean look, but I think those vents are gonna make it look pretty sick, guys. Honestly, yeah. Can't wait to put them on because I do have a big vent here. I already cut the bumper there, so yeah, let's just go ahead and cut the bumper on each side and see how they look. But I will paint them and wrap them just to have them painted and wrapped, and so that way it can stick, and then I'll install them. So should be a pretty easy install. The only thing that's hard is cutting because I do have to cut the bumper, but yeah, once it's on there it looks sick. And then yeah, so I'll show you guys how it looks after it's done too. So yeah, but yeah, let's just go ahead and let me get this car off the jacks here, and then we'll have to continue this next week and get those installed and then show you guys how they look on the car. And all right, guys, well, there it is. Got both vents done and they're on the car and they look freaking sick. Yeah, kind of windy out here, sucks. But anyways, yeah, got them on, and a little bit of nerve-wracking cutting into the bumper, not knowing if it's gonna fit right, but I'm glad it all worked out and they look nice. Got these again from eBay. They had it on the Subaru, so I was like, yeah, they gotta fit this Subaru, but it's on the 2015 bumper, not the 2018 bumper, but it still fit. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I did wrap them red off camera, and yeah, I think they look good, honestly. Yeah, I think they look good, honestly. Still look how the car looks. Car is dirty right now. I definitely need to wash the wheels again. I might do that tomorrow. Yeah, got the trunk to fit right. I did have to modify brackets a little bit so that way you can go this way. And now there's a good gap there because it was rubbing on this wrap right here and I was making it come up. So yeah, overall the car looks good. I'm glad I went with those vents. They do have an opening, so the air that goes in through the fog light vent can escape through there and not just rub against the whole entire car, but yeah, or down below. But I don't know if they're functional. They're kind of functional, honestly. This one too, kind of functional. It does let air in and out. That one does too. So yeah, everything's pretty much open on the car. Overall, the car looks good. I do like the catch pins to matte black, but again, carbon fiber did look better, but it wasn't really real carbon fiber, so it did not match this carbon fiber. So I think the matte looks pretty good, honestly. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry I couldn't capture too much of that, but just kind of a little short little vlog video, I guess, on the car. And yeah, can't wait to do more on the car. Honestly, I don't know what else. I did order some hub centric red rings, so it's gonna be red in the middle there. Right now I just have the silver ones and they're pretty beat up, so order some new ones and they're red, so yeah, kind of match the whole theme of the car. All right guys, well that's pretty much it. Overall the bumper looks good. I did order some more wrap to redo this bumper because it definitely needs it. It is popping up a little bit right there where the fog light is. I don't know if you can see it, probably because I didn't clean right there, right? So yeah, it's coming up right there, and honestly it does need to be rewrapped. So but first I want to order some more EXO V5 before I do that, so I can ceramic coat it too. And yeah, but definitely needs to be rewrapped. But those vents look sick, they came out nice, and I don't think they're going anywhere. They're held on pretty nicely on there, so yeah, it looks good. But love the wheels. Glad I picked those wheels. These are perfect fitment. I did not have to run no spacer here. They clear the brimbles very well, so yeah. They are dirty, so they need to be cleaned, but the ceramic coating is going to help with the cleaning. So just make sure you ceramic coat your wheels, especially if they're white, and it helps with the cleaning. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.